Today we're going to demystify the phrase hace falta, which is a bit of a tricky one for us English speakers.
Sí, terminando este video vas a estar usando hace falta como un verdadero pro.
And we've even slipped in a super useful subjunctive structure for you more advanced learners.
Empezamos.
So hace falta is a bit of a weird one, because it looks like it's composed of two conjugated verbs, hace and falta. And, well, put together, they don't really make any sense. Which is why it's super important to not translate them literally, and instead to treat them as one single word, which functions as a verb.
Sí, ¿y qué significa?
Well, it's basically used to express the need for something. So you can often use it instead of necesitar or to need.
Echamos un ojo a algunos ejemplos. Tengo muchas ganas de cocinar, pero hace falta ajo.
I really want to cook something, but we need garlic.
Hace falta ir al parque.
We need to go to the park. And by the way, if you're wondering what that al is doing there, then make sure to check out our video on all things del and al, which we'll put up at the end.
Hace falta más práctica.
We need to practice more.
Hacen falta unas vacaciones, ¿verdad?
We need a holiday, don't you think? As you can see, all these sentences are referring to a lack of something in general. So it's not a specific person or thing that needs something. And in this case, the best translation is often we need. And it's also important to note that hacer falta works like the verb gustar. So hacer needs to agree in number with whatever it is that's needed. But more on that in a minute.
Y bueno, ¿qué tal si estamos hablando de una persona o una cosa en específico?
Yeah, in that case, you'd have to use the phrase hacerle falta a alguien or algo.
Por ejemplo, le hace falta sal.
It needs salt.
A Rupert le hacen falta unas clases de español.
Rupert needs some Spanish classes.
Me hace falta más ropa.
I need more clothes.
¿Qué les hace falta?
What do you need? Basically, if you're talking about what a specific person, group of people, or thing needs, you're going to have to whack what we call an indirect object pronoun in front of hace falta. So, me, if you're talking about yourself, te, if you're talking about the person you're speaking to, le, if you're talking about a third person not present at the time of speaking, nos, if you're talking about yourself and other people, and finally, les, if you're talking about a group of people not present at the time of speaking. And this structure actually works just like the verb gustar. So we need an indirect object pronoun, which basically corresponds to the person or people which need something, plus hace or hacen falta, plus noun, which is the thing that's needed. It's important to remember that hacer needs to agree in number with whatever it is that's needed. So we say hace if you only need one thing, i.e. a singular noun, and hacen if you need more than one thing, i.e. a plural noun.
Medio complicado, ¿verdad? Pero vamos a ver unos ejemplos. Me hace falta una patata.
I need a potato. So here, the pronoun me indicates who needs something. In this case, me, or the speaker. And we say hace falta because the thing that I need is singular, i.e. a potato. If the thing that you need is plural, you're going to have to use hacen falta. For example,
A los alumnos les hacen falta unas buenas plumas.
the students need some good pens. Here we use les because the students, or they, are the ones that need something. And we say hacen falta because this time the noun, i.e. plumas, is plural. Let's look at one more example.
Nos hace falta comida.
We need food. Here we use nos because we, i.e. a group of people that includes the speaker, are the ones that need food. And we use hace falta because the noun, food, or la comida, is singular. And if you want to make any of these sentences negative, all you have to do is whack a no at the front.
Así que dirías, no nos hace falta comida.
Or, we don't need food.
Y a veces se tiene que usar hace falta con el subjuntivo, ¿cierto?
Yeah, we use the subjunctive after the structure hace falta que.
Hace falta que tomemos unas vacaciones.
We need to take a vacation.
Hace falta que le eches más sal.
You need to add more salt.
No hace falta que firmes el contrato.
You don't need to sign the contract.
Hace falta que las personas sean más responsables.
People need to be more responsible.
Entonces, después de hace falta que, el verbo siempre se conjuga en subjuntivo. Entonces decimos, tomemos en vez de tomamos, eches en vez de echas y firmes en vez de firmas.
Yeah, so as you might have noticed, we always use hace falta que, not hacen falta que, which makes things a hell of a lot easier.
Mucha info, ¿verdad? Pues es hora de poner a prueba todo lo que has aprendido. Y porfa, si te gustó este video, regálanos un like. Ahora sí, la prueba final.
Yeah, you need to choose between hace falta and hacen falta. Ready? Oh, and we'll give you extra points if you manage to spot the verb that should be in the subjunctive.
Hace falta o hacen falta pollo para las enchiladas.
We need chicken for the enchiladas. And the correct answer is hace falta, because pollo is a singular noun.
Hace falta o hacen falta que tiras la basura.
You need to throw out the trash. And the correct answer is hace falta. And did you spot the missing subjunctive?
Debería ser tires, no tiras. A Juan le hace falta o le hacen falta más días de descanso.
Juan needs more days off. And yep, we need hacen falta here, as días is a plural noun. Oh, and see that de between días and descanso? Well, in Spanish, we sometimes use de to link to nouns. Find out more in our video on all things de, del, and al.
Y pues es todo por hoy. Espero que les haya gustado la clase.
And make sure to check out our video on del and al. You're gonna love it.
Bye.
Nos vemos.